Dengue by Lorenzo. What is dengue? It is a virus and it is transmitted by the female Aedes aegypti species. The complete name is dengue flavivirus. Symptoms of dengue. Some symptoms are headache, rash, sudden fever, and some people are even asymptomatic, which means they don't have any symptoms. How can you protect yourself from dengue? By using long sleeves, mosquito repellent, and eliminating reproduction sites, such as water puddles. Timeline with appropriate treatment. You get the symptoms. Then you go to a doctor and he says you do have the virus in your body. He's gonna tell you to rest 5 to 8 days and then you'll probably be fine. Timeline without treatment. You get the symptoms. Then after a few days, you're gonna be very tired. And if you do not go to a doctor, you might lose blood pressure and even die, or fully recover and be perfectly fine. Who discovered dengue and when? Ren Kimura and Susumu Hara in 1943 first isolated the dengue virus. Meanwhile, they were studying other blood samples. How does dengue affect people? 390 million cases per year are found of dengue, and 500,000 of them are severe cases. 25,000 people even die of dengue each year. Characteristics of the virus. It has a spherical shape. It is 40 to 60 nanometers in size, so it's small compared to other cells. Behavior of the virus. Membrane receptors go to the cytoplasm, and the virus particle attaches to a cellular membrane receptor, which causes the dengue to be injected and eventually destroy the cell. How is dengue spread? By the female Aedes aegypti species. They infect humans through the cycle on the right. A passive mosquito can get dengue from a person who already has dengue. Scientific implications and accomplishments. Discovering the dengue vaccine. The dengue vaccine is called Dengvaxia, and it is for people who are 9 to 45 years old. It is only for people who already had dengue before, and because of these limitations, it is not considered to be effective. Improved medical research and fundings. The U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases are funding 60 million projects of dengue fever research, and they're also trying to find an all-ages vaccine instead of the dengue vaccine that already exists. Improved dengue treatment and recommendations. Doctors are recommending to people the acetaminophen, which is basically a pain reliever. They also recommend to rest 5 to 8 days if you have dengue and to drink lots of liquids such as juice and water. Impacts of dengue and science on the economic and environmental factors. Economic impacts. $3 billion of productivity costs annually are found by the dengue virus. Full hospitals are caused by people who already have the disease, and many people even lose jobs because of dengue. So there's a lot of inability to work. Environmental impacts. The humidity increases because of the rainfall and overpopulation of mosquitoes in hot areas such as Paraguay, Brazil, Africa, and many parts of India. Fun facts about dengue. You can get dengue up to 4 times, which is very interesting because there are 4 types of dengue virus. And another fun fact is that in Europe, the only cases of dengue are imported, which means that they come from other countries. These are my sources that I use for this presentation. And these are other sources that I use for the presentation. The end. Thank you so much for listening to the presentation.